Have you ever stood in front of something you knew you had to do, but fear whispered, "Not today"? That's how Eshan felt, standing before an old bridge that could change his entire life. But what he didn't know was, that bridge wasn't a test of wood and rope. It was a test of courage. This is the story of a young man named Eshan, who discovered that truth the hard way. Eshan lived in a small village surrounded by mountains. He dreamed of becoming an engineer, of building bridges that connected people. Yet, ironically, he himself was afraid of crossing one. There was an old wooden bridge outside the village, narrow, creaky, and hanging above a rushing river. To reach the city for his exams, he had to cross that bridge. But each time he reached it, fear froze him. "It's too risky," he told himself. "Maybe next time." Days turned into weeks. He missed his classes, then his exams, and finally, his confidence. He blamed the bridge, the weather, his bad luck, everything except his own fear. One morning, while sitting near the riverbank, he saw an old man walking with a heavy cart of firewood. The bridge was shaking in the wind, but the man didn't stop. Slowly, step by step, he crossed safely. Eshan ran to him and said, "Aren't you afraid? This bridge could collapse." The old man smiled and said, "Son, it's not the bridge that breaks easily, it's our courage." Those words hit Eshan like lightning. That night, he couldn't sleep. He kept hearing the old man's voice echoing, "It's our courage that breaks." So the next morning, he decided to try. His legs trembled, his palms sweated, but he took one step, then another. The bridge groaned beneath his feet, but he didn't stop. Halfway through, a wooden plank cracked, his heart raced, yet he grabbed the rope and held on. Slowly, breath by breath, he made it across. When he reached the other side, he looked back and smiled. The bridge hadn't changed. He had. That single moment changed his entire life. Eshan left for the city, studied day and night, and years later he became one of the best bridge engineers in the country. But every time he designed a bridge, he remembered that first one, the one he feared, avoided, and finally crossed. One day, he returned to his village and found that same old wooden bridge. Most people still walked around it, taking the longer route. So he built a new steel bridge there. Strong, safe, and unshakable. And on the first day it opened, he placed a small board beside it. It said, "This bridge was built by someone who once feared to cross it." So, my friends, remember this. The bridge you avoid might be the very one that leads to your growth. Every fear, every obstacle, every difficulty is not meant to stop you, it's meant to shape you. Stop blaming, stop waiting, step forward. Because sometimes the treasure isn't gold, it's who you become when you cross your bridge.